We finally made it to Sydney, Australia! And ito ang experience namin on our very first day here. You won't want to miss it for the world.
Ang ganda niya! Sarap dito. Dito na tayo tumirahan. Wow! Ang lawak ng kanilang train station! Kami sa level 2. Level 2 na yung mga kainan. Sydney.
Alright, so andito tayo ngayon sa line papunta sa boarding gate natin going to Sydney, Australia. And the reason why may pila dito is because chine-check ulit nila yung mga bags. Pinapabukas talaga nila. This is the third time actually. The first time is dun sa baggage drop, which is hindi kami sanay. It's unusual, pero I think it's Australian protocol. So okay rin guys na maging maaga kasi madaming mga pagdadaanan ng mga ganitong baggage checks. Whenever you're going to Sydney, bubuksan talaga nila. The second time is after ng immigration. Yun, standard yun. Everybody goes through that. This one's the third time. So medyo strict ang Australia. Pero I know it's going to be worth it.
If Cebu Pacific ang flight nyo guys, heads up lang na walang TV. So we recommend na mag-download kayo ng mga movies nyo if may gusto kayong panoorin throughout the flight. Tulad niya si Joel, nag-download ng Godfather para may panoorin siya. But ako, nag-download ako ng pangpatulog. And after 8 hours, nakarating na rin kami sa Sydney, Australia.
So, yun, kakatapos lang namin magpapalit ng pera dito sa Money Exchange. You can see it here. Yan, sa likod. And then, just right next to it,
bumili kami ng Opal card, which is...
Ang minimum actually is $20 for adult Opal cards. But sabi namin, patapap mo na ng $50 para may extra.
And then, kung wala pa kayong SIM card or eSIM, marami dito magkakatabi lang. Like for example, sa likod namin, which is Optus.
Optus.
I think yan yung kilalang service provider here sa Australia. Sa immigration, madali lang siya. Like, it took us like 5-10 minutes.
So, wala na siyang parang i-interviewin ka pa, di ba?
Yeah, wala na yung tatatakan.
Wala na yun. So, digital na tayo ngayon, guys. So, very fast, very convenient. And then, pagdating naman sa customs, kung wala naman kayong dineclare,
sa arrival card,
yes, pwede na kayong dumiretso.
Mas mabilis yung pila.
Yeah, mas mabilis. We're going to find our train, and then we're going to use our Opal card there. So, we will catch you later. Trains, got it.
Hi guys, so bumili kami dun sa airport kanina ng Opal card. But when you enter here sa train, meron din ditong get an Opal card or top up. Pwede kayo pumila dyan or dito naman kayo sa kabila, which is pwede kayo mag-top up or for single ticket.
We're heading to our train. Dito tayo sa platform 1 kasi ang baba natin dapat ay Central Station. From there, ilang lakad na lang nasa hotel na tayo. So, let's get it.
Double decker.
Hi guys, so mga 15 to 20 minutes na train ride, or maybe even less, more or less, 15 to 20 minutes from yung airport, nandito na kami sa Central Station.
4 stations only.
And also, ngayon nakalabas na kami, we're out in the open air, ramdam na namin ang climate ng Sydney.
It's 16 degrees Celsius, para kang naka-aircon, pero
Yeah.
malinis yung hangin.
Alright. So, yun, maglalakad na kami papunta sa aming hotel. We'll explore more of the city as we go along. It's an 8-minute walk according to Google Maps.
Google Maps is your friend.
Yeah, always use Google Maps, guys. So, malaking tulong talaga siya every time you travel, especially abroad. So, shall we?
Let's go, mate! So right now, hinahanap namin ang aming exit papunta sa aming hotel. Andito kami sa train station pa rin ng Central. Ang aking navigator ay maghahanap ng exit right here. Marami ang kanilang stations and sobrang convenient.
Please do not run towards the closing doors of the train.
Dito tayo sa elevator. Left pa lang tawag, hindi elevator. Wow! Ang ganda ng architecture nila. So, nagtanong si Joel dun sa isang babae sa baba,
Yep.
and they're very friendly, and tinuruan nila kami. Dito pala kami dapat sa Grand Concourse. Kasi yung hotel namin na Central Studio Hotel, malapit lang here, mga 8 minutes walk. So right now, papasok na kami. Kailangan natin mag-tap off kasi nag-tap on tayo kanina. Ayan. And then, we're in! Wow! Ang lawak ng kanilang train station! So hi guys, pa-exit na kami and nakita namin dito na meron silang transport information. So if meron kayong question or naliligaw kayo, punta lang kayo here. So ito agad ang bubungad sa inyo paglabas nyo ng Central Station. There, British European architecture. So guys, nandito na kami sa lobby. So, 5 minutes away lang actually yung walk namin. As in, katapat lang ng Central Station. May mga pedestrian lang kasi kaya kailangan namin talaga mag-wait. They're checking kung pwede na yung hotel. It's actually 1 PM pa lang. So, hopefully, pwede na para makapagpahinga konti and makakain na ng lunch. Ang bango na elevator! And maaga nila kami pina-check-in. Well, 1 hour lang naman, di ba, honey? Kasi mga 2 PM dapat, 1 PM na. Then, maaga yung check-out, 9 AM. Pero okay lang kasi yung flight namin, 11 AM. So, maaga rin talaga kami alis. Let's see our room. So, look at this view, guys. And honey is so tired. But it's worth it. Honey, can you test the bed? If it's comfy. Basta sa dulo lang. Yan lang. Why? It's soft? What's this? So you have their tea sets here. Pwede kang mag-init ng coffee. May mga dyan, free na green tea. Uuwi ko yung lahat. Yan. They have vault. Their ref is empty. Sabi sa'yo, 3 lang yung plano nila. Hanger, di ako nakadala. So that's our room tour, guys. It's spacious for 2 people and you got a good view at malapit ka na sa Central Station.
Now we're going to go down. Kakain muna kami. We're hungry. It's been a long flight. So
wala kaming kinain sa plane for 8 hours. Ay, except
donut,
the one donut.
May binakaon kaming donut. Thank you,
Krispy Kreme.
So, ayun guys, kakain muna kami. We're hungry. So, let's see kung ano makakain sa baba.
So, hi guys. It's currently 1:30. Naglakad-lakad lang kami dito sa labas ng aming hotel. And ang daming mga Thai food dito and mga Asian cuisine. Pakita na sa inyo. Malay, the ultimo. I think it's Spanish. Oh, ang dami rin ditong kalapate. Pang tinola, char. Kaukang market. More on Thai. Huh?
Yeah, more Asian.
Get rice. I think that's good for $8-9, no? Kaukang Maruay. So, I'll dig in first kasi wala pa yung order ni Joel. Kasi mahilig ako sa gulay. Parang familiar to. Parang siyang kangkong sa Pilipinas. May kick. Sabi nila hindi daw maanghang pero may sili. Good. Medyo matamis din. Then garlicky. I like the texture of the vegetable kasi crunchy.
Ganun mo na yung mga sili.
Yeah. But it's good. It's like liempo. Oh, there's yours. Wow.
Alright, so ako naman, karating lang ng order ko and it's called Khao Pad Nam. Yan, Khao Pad Nam. Grabe sila magkanin guys. Ganito ang kanin. Let's try it. Okay, mainit.
Wok nga eh.
Very good.
Titikman natin tong chai. Thai sweet milk.
Good. Buti kinuha mo.
Yeah. What is he doing?
Ako na kumuha ng milk tea niya guys, sorry. Ako yung nag-enjoy.
So right now naglalakad na kami papunta sa Cole Supermarket. Malamig. Kahit paano. It's normal dito na malinis and maluwag ang kanilang lakaran.
Nagino po. Actually, yung lakaran nila, napakaluwag.
Sobrang luwag. And mabango yung hangin dito. Ayan yung tram. Pakita namin sa inyo guys. Ito yung tram. Look at that. And slow lang yung ano niya. Yung andar. Huwag kayong gumaya kay Joel. Kala niya yung intake na long sleeves. Okay. Biglang kumangin. Ang lamig.
Saka kung bago kayo lumabas, siguro yung nakatae kayo. Kasi pag hinangin kayo ng ganito, baka grabe yung goosebumps niyo.
Ang lamig guys kasi yung hangin. So malapit na kami sa Coles. Lalakad lang kami. Ito itsura. I think we're actually inside the mall. We're looking pa for the supermarket. Yung Coles supermarket. kami. Nandito yung Kohl's sa basement. Here.
Here it is.
Tada!
Right, so nahanap na namin yung mga papasalubungan namin. And it's the Tim Tams here. They got double coat, they got salted caramel brownie. Ito yung original, ito yung natikman ko. Ito masarap na as is. I'd like to see kung ano yung lasa ng iba. They got caramel din, so, and they got white chocolate, madami, basically, ang flavor ng Tim Tam. So, yung mga loved ones namin back at home, ito daw ang pinaka nire-request nilang pasalubong. So, we're gonna get a few of them right now. Let's get one of each.
So tip guys, so pag medyo budget and gusto nyo maraming mapuntahan ang inyong money, punta lang kayo sa grocery store. So ngayon, kasama na yung pasalubong namin and mga breakfast and snacks. So ayan. Ayan na si Honey. So magbabayad na kami. So hi guys, naglalakad na kami pa uwi from Kohl's Supermarket. Napansin lang namin, mas malaki pa yung lakaran nila kaysa sa kalsada dito sa CBD nila.
Just every time namin nadadaan kaming kainan, parang lagi sila may alfresco. Dahil
Yes.
hindi mo pagsisisiyan na kumain sa alfresco kasi ang presko talaga.
Yes.
After that, nagbabalang kami ng grocery sa hotel and dumiretso na rin kami papuntang Circular Quay para makita ang Harbour Bridge at Sydney Opera House.
So hi guys, we're here inside the tram. So bago kayo pumasok, mag-tap on kayo. And bago kayo umalis sa station, mag-tap off kayo. So grabe yung honesty ng mga tao dito.
To be honest guys, so yun, you have your Opal card naman, use it. So magagamit nyo siya dito. Sa ngayon, hindi pa namin alam kung magkano siya.
This
We'll let
stop
you know.
is QVB,
Thank you.
a light for Darling Harbour and Pitt Street Mall.
And mabagal lang actually yung takbo niya. And then, dapat mabilis ka sa pagpasok at pagbaba kasi split seconds na nagsasara na
Parang
siya.
LRT. So hindi na siya magbubukas pag nagsara na siya.
Yeah.
So you have to be fast. 16 degrees daw sa labas. And mukhang, hindi ko alam kung totoo yun kasi sobrang lamig.
Mahangin kasi.
Oo, mahangin. Kahit na maaraw guys, kahit na malakas yung sinag ng araw, huwag kayong papatridor doon. You have to wear your jacket.
Ako nga naka-puff jacket.
Unless kaya niya yung lamig.
This
How much is it?
$3.
Oh. Finally, you're here! So, makikita nyo na dito, pagbaba nyo ng station ng Circular Quay, konting lakad lang, makikita nyo na ang Harbour Bridge. And then, medyo hindi lang kita sa side na to, pero nandun yung ating pupuntahan ang Opera House. So tara guys, nakikita ko lang to sa history books. Let's go!
Alright, so kita nyo guys, sa likod namin, that is the world-famous Harbour Bridge. And we are just a few steps away dito sa kaliwa namin from the Sydney Opera House. Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo. But right now, this is an equally magnificent view dito sa likod namin. You can see the harbor, you can see the bridge. You won't want to miss it for the world.
Ang ganda nyo! Guys! Malapit na kami sa Opera House. Nakikita na namin. So, nag-start to mag-open noong 1973. So, renowned architectural design to kasi nung nabasa ko sa internet is parang yung design niya is imposible noon. Pero na-push through pa din, and after many years, 1973 siya nag-open, and na-over budget na nga to sa pagkabasa ko and sa mga na-research ko. Pero pinush pa din.
So until now, kahit na umabot na tayo sa 21st century, isa pa rin siya sa mga pinakasikat na feats of architecture.
Yes.
If you talk about Australia, hindi lang Sydney, pero if you talk about Australia, isa sa mga maiisip mo agad is itong Sydney Opera House. No? Ganun siyang kasikat. Not just in Australia, but around the world.
So yung nasa loob niyan, maraming mga tenants yung nandyan sa loob. So may mga restaurants, may mga theater, meron pang mga nagpe-perform ng orchestra. So maraming tenants sa loob. Art center din siya. May makikita ka din mga art pieces doon. But kami, dito na lang muna kami sa labas. Kasi for us, okay na yung beauty niya sa labas. Pero if you have extra money and if you want to really see what's inside, you can actually book it online or here. You can buy a ticket. So, right now, nandito kami sa labas. It's actually 6. Anong oras na?
6:15. It's 6:15, guys. So,
pero maano pa yung araw.
Yung araw mukhang alas 4 lang.
And then, pag nakaupo kayo dito kahit saang part naman, makikita nyo syempre yung harbor and ang dami-daming puno. So, hi guys! After like 10 minutes, bumaba na kami sa Opera House. And nandito kami ngayon sa parang, ano ba ito nga? Plaza. Ang lawak! And mahilig talaga sila sa alfresco. Ito yun, papakita namin sa inyo. There. And then, Boogs. So right now, nandito kami sa baba ng mga hagdanan kanina sa Opera House. Ito yung baba. And I think may
parang may
play?
I think may play, I think may performance. I don't know, pero parang ang daming pumipili so there might be something going on sa loob. I'm not really sure. Pero yeah, so ito ang magiging itsura niya if may nadatnan kayo or may dadatnan kayo na play dito, maybe ito yung pinaka main entrance dun sa ilalim ng stairs kung saan kami galing kanina.
So ngayon, maghahanap na kami ng pwesto namin for dinner. It's 6:30 p.m. pero hindi pa rin bumababa yung araw.
Maya pa to. Mukha pa rin 4:30 o ganun.
So lakad-lakad muna kami guys. Pakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda at ka-walkable dito sa Sydney.
Let's go.
So right now, medyo marami ng tao dito sa Opera Bar. Maghahanap kami kung meron kaming mapwestohan pa. Ang daming tao, tingnan nyo. Kasi alfresco yan guys parang Manila Bay pero malinis. Tsaka maganda. Joel is afraid of the seagull.
Yeah, I'm gonna shield it from the seagulls. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's a little swat. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's currently 8:30 p.m. and we're going back to our hotel. It's been a tiring but worth it day exploring Sydney.
So, ayun nga, nakikita niyo sa likod namin, that's the Sydney Opera House at night.
Yes.
And tulad nga ng sabi ni Honey, like, halos 24 hours tayo gising. Well, not technically kasi nakatulog naman kami sa aeroplano. Pero,
A few hours.
yeah, but it's been a long day, so I think it's time to call it a day. And hopefully, we were able to help you with your Sydney itinerary in case na pupunta kayo dito.
And we really recommend na pumunta kayo dito kasi day 1 pa lang, ayaw na namin umuwi.
So, ayun nga guys, hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. And again, if you like this vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. This is only day 1 of a week-long stay in Sydney and madami pa kaming gagawin. So with that, I am Joel.
And Sel.
And we'll see you on the next vlog.
Bye!